Do you know the process of Kundalini is explained in Lalita Sahasranama? In Lalita Sahasranama, this process is symbolically encoded through Ambal's journey across three Granthis: Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, and Rudra Granthi. Granthi means knot. Brahma Granthi is at the Mooladhara Chakra. It is tied to fear and survival at the Mooladhara Chakra. Vishnu Granthi is tied to the identity, which is at the Manipuraka Chakra. And then Rudra Granthi is tied to the ego and the intellect, and it is at the Agna Chakra. The Kundalini is the power, the Shakti, which is stuck at the Mooladhara Chakra. And when it awakens, what happens when it awakens and how it awakens? In this journey, Shakti awakening journey, it can be awakened through the mantra, through the sadhana. Like chanting Lalita Sahasranamam has a potential of awakening the Shakti. And this awakening, where the energy, the Shakti, rises upwards through the Sushumna Nadi, piercing through these Granthis, Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, and Rudra Granthi, and reaches the Sahasrara, unites with Shiva. Now, as it is raising from the Mooladhara Chakra, what it is going to do, this energy is going to do, is it is going to cleanse your physical, your emotional, and your karmic blocks. It activates the higher awareness and intuition. It connects you to that divine consciousness, that Shakti, the Shakti which is pervading in everything. Ultimately, this journey, the Shakti awakening journey, ends at the Sahasrara Chakra, where it unites with Shiva, the ultimate consciousness. That is where in the end, in Lalita Sahasranamam, Ambal is called as Shiva Shaktaikya Rupini. So this is the journey. The union of Shakti and Shiva is self-realization or the Shakti awakening. If you want to know deeper about Shakti awakening, I conduct free workshop on Shakti awakening with the power of Lalita Sahasranamam. I have given a WhatsApp group link below this video. Join the WhatsApp group where I'll be sharing the details about the upcoming workshop. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Guru Kataksham Ambala Nugraham Paripurnam Shri Matre Namaha.